How to install a dishwasher. The first thing we can do is hook up the water supply, and we can see in this house there's a cold water feed and a hot water feed here in red. Now some washing machines only need cold water to work, and sometimes they'll need hot water and cold water. Now this one's only got a single, so that means it only needs cold water. Since this only needs cold water, this is the feed here, pipe work, so we'll connect up to the cold water. So we'll connect the cold water feed. Make sure it's all the way tight and there's no leaks. Once it's totally tight, turn on the water. In this case, let's turn this. Just have a look around, make sure there's no leaking water anywhere. Next, there'll be a pipe for the wastewater. So just look for an exit pipe like this. Stick the pipe in. Now the wastewater can leave the house. And finally, connect the power supply. And you're done.